Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. Today I've got an unboxing for you. It's a bit of a biggie, so we're gonna split it into a couple of parts. But here goes. This beautiful box of loveliness came from Spell Queen. Spell Queen are one of my very favourite companies to work with, and I want to start by saying a big thank you to them for sending me these canvases to share with you. So we will get started quick as we can. All of their canvases come in these great little bags that can be used for storage purposes or for anything else that you can think of. I like to keep my canvases in these until I'm ready to work on them, or if I'm going to store the canvases flat, then I'll keep the drills in these bags. So they are a sort of a recycled material. I can show you they are. I believe this sort of material is normally made from recycled pop bottles and water bottles. So this is the first one. Let's get into it. I'll move this big box out of the way. So let's move the bag to the side. Which one is this? We've got ourselves a beautiful dragonfly. Okay, there we go. Okay, so as you can see, this is a poured glue canvas, which is lovely. It's got the clear cover, lovely sticky glue, and I believe, yeah, this is a square drill canvas. So we can see from the legend at the side, and that gives us 27 colours. This is not too confetti heavy. The writing on the original image is also very sort of disguised and quite hard to read, but it does say embrace life. And then we've got all of these lovely bright colours. Let's take a look at those colours. Here we go. Right, so we've got, obviously, we do have, yeah, there is DMC on the canvas, but not on the baggies. But it's lovely that these come in baggies. So we have got, is that all? Yeah, so 3 bags of colour 24, which is obviously going to make up a lot of this lovely turquoise background. So we've got those. Everything looks really clear in there. I'm just going to move you in a little bit. There we go. Yeah, so everything looks lovely and clear. I can't see any problems with those. And certainly we've got plenty. So we've got 23, 22, darker colours, these lovely green shades. So if you're a fan of this kind of oceany kind of blue colour, sort of turquoise aqua tones, then this could well be the canvas for you. We've then got these lovely pops of bright colour coming in. Oh, rogue drill. Is that 310? Let's have a look. 14. No, it's 939. So there's no 310 in this. What we have got is 939, sort of very dark navy colour. fairly substantial bag of the creamy white, fall, a little bit of grey, a little bit of purple. But what a lovely summery selection of colours. Really, really lovely. I love the fact that they come in baggies, as I say. These look absolutely perfect. I can't see any trash, I can't see anything wrong with them. Size wise, they seem fairly consistent. It's always a little difficult to tell until you start placing them on the canvas. Let's have a quick look at the symbols on the canvas. I'm going to bring you down. So we can see, looking at this flower here, we've got, oh, put the upside down, it's not going to help. There we go, so we've got some check marks, we've got some little arrows, triangles. It's all fairly standard stuff, and certainly the canvas is printed really clearly. Here we've got the $sign used. That's probably that's the 939, and they've printed white on the dark colour. What's that other Z? It's a weird backwards Z. Yeah, that's been used for one of the darker greens. That might be a little tricky, but with a light pad should be fine. I don't think you can confuse it with anything else that's green, because the other greens are an 8 and an L, so should be fine. They've used the tick mark for the very, very palest of colours, which is great because that's not going to show up around the edges at all. We do have a grid on the canvas, but it is incredibly light, which is brilliant. So if you do have any gapping between your drills, it's not going to have harsh black lines between it. I think this is lovely, really, really nice, and it's a pretty good size as well. Let me just pop you back up. Oops, going on a little journey. There we go, and we'll give it a measure because we haven't done that yet. So it is listed as 45 by 60. And it is 60 exactly for the length, and so I would expect, yeah, 45 on the nose for the width, and that is not including the edging. So the printed image, the drill field area, is what we're looking at there when we talk about the fact that that is the area that is to size. So if you're looking for frames, you would need to remember the picture size, and then you could chop off the edging if you didn't want it, or use it, you paint it, use it as behind a mat, whatever. Yeah, so this is really lovely. I'm just gonna clear this one away and we will take a look at one of the others later. Before we look at the next one, I will just go over the kit that comes from Spell Queen. They're now sending out one kit with any order as standard. If you would like a second kit because you're going to gift one of the canvases or something, then you can request an additional kit. But as standard, you will only receive one kit now, which is great because there's only so many drill pens that we need. They are still doing their sort of fun / luxury type pens. So this is the one that I got this time. It is super soft and fluffy, with lovely sparkly glitter inside, and then your standard single placer with a little cover. You also get the standard clear sparkly drill pen single placer and a 4 placer. It's pink squishy. We get a caddy of wax, which has got 3 plates of the red wax, and they are individually sealed, so you can use them one at a time, but they all fit nicely in there. And that is Spell Queen branded. We also get the Spell Queen branded tweezers, which are super duper sharp, really good quality. These are the new Spell Queen boats, which are clear, so that if you're using white drills, you won't have trouble finding them when compared to using the old style white boats. They've always done a big boat, which is great, but yeah, now you can opt for the clear as opposed to the white. So that's a really nice addition, and they always with the kits you get a little bit of storage, which is always lovely. These ones have 12 little, yeah, that way, 12 little openings for extra bits and pieces. I have used mine when I've had leftover ABs or sparklers, because you don't tend to get a lot of leftovers for special drills like that, but it just means that I can keep a few sparklies on hand should I want to bling up another painting. So that is our kit. I think it is everything that you would need and a bit extra, and I really do like these new trays. They work really nicely. I love a big tray anyway, but having a clear tray is quite nice. Right, on to the next canvas. So, same again, nice bag. Oh, got similar colours. So this is more like a kind of a graphic stained glass image with sun and water and flowers. It's very long. I should also have mentioned that the canvases do have a slightly flocked back, and obviously the nice serged edge as well. They're a good quality canvas, really lovely. This one's not going to flatten out as easily. Okay, this is very long. So I'm going to do the measuring first on this one. So it is listing itself as a 40 by 60. And it is a 40, and I would expect this to be a 60. Yeah, on the dot, 40 by 60 printed area. So what have we got here? We've got the same poured glue. We've got less colours on this one, I think we do. Yeah, the last one was 27, this is 24 colours. This one you're going to get a little bit more colour blocking, which I don't mind that at all. Then we've got a little bit more shading going on at the top. we do have 310 this time. 310 is the dollar symbol. So all of the darkest black. This canvas is round, so that's obviously another difference. Similar sort of colour themes going on though. I really like this. A little bit of crinkling. Okay, so we've got 2 bags of 310. We've then got some 820, I think, that very sort of royal blue colour. Get more of these lovely turquoise, greens, a bit more blue. And then again, we're into these sunshine yellows, oranges, reds. Some peachy pinks. Yeah, got no white in this one. Yeah, I think this would actually go really quickly. I think you could easily, you know, do this one. I think I would be tempted to work on it and almost do a section at a time within the black. Yeah, I think it's a great graphic image. Would make a lovely gift. Could literally go anywhere. I think I see this as being, you know, if you've got a really sunny bedroom somewhere, or even, you know, with the waves, it could even be a bathroom. Honestly, it could go anywhere. Really lovely. Okay, so that's our first 2 that we've looked at. Move you back out. Gosh, you're going on a journey today. No, that. Oh, not working. There we go. So these first 2 canvases are so lovely. Really pleased with them. They look brilliant quality. Really nice. And I am going to stop here, tidy these away, and then I will share with you the next 2 canvases from my haul from Spell Queen in another video. I will then, obviously, as always, as I work on these, you'll get progress pictures on Instagram. All of the details for these lovely paintings will be down in the description, and I will link to the other Spell Queen videos as they are produced and uploaded. Please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you all in the next video.